Bless him, the plumber's here, hence me all flushed. He's upstairs doing the work, whistling and singing along to Sweet Caroline. Bless him. I'm sat working on my website. Shall I give you a quick sneak preview? Can. I'm looking around, see if there's any envelopes with my address on. Ta-da! Sweet Caroline, do do do. Well, I went to the toilet this morning. I got up extra early because I knew he was coming about 8:30. Thought I'll have to get up and have my coffee and go to the toilet long before he comes, so it can be all like cleaned and bleached. Hey God, love you. Bye.